Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to share your Spotify Wrapped 2020 to your Instagram stories. Very, very easy and simple to do. Now, you're not able to get the Spotify Wrapped with the Spotify application alone, but what you want to make sure that you do is that you have the Spotify application downloaded and that you're logged into the application. Once you're done that, you want to go over to Safari and just go to Spotify.com. And if you scroll down to Spotify.com, you will notice it says 2020 Wrapped. See how you listened right here. And then it says Explore Your Wrapped. You want to click on Explore Your Wrap. And then it'll actually open up Spotify right here with your 2020 Wrapped music. Now, if it doesn't do this right away, it's probably because you're not logged in. You want to make sure you're logged in. It might pop up like a pop-up here asking you to log in. So you want to make sure you go ahead and do that. And then you should be able to see this right here. Now, to add this on your Instagram stories, you just want to go ahead and click on it, whatever folder that you're looking to listen to on your story or add to your story. Then once you're on the album that you want to share on your story, you just want to click on the three dots and then click on share. And then you will see here it says Instagram stories. So you can just go ahead and click on that and then open. And then here, of course, you can go ahead and share this onto your story by clicking on your story. And then your friends will be able to check out your top songs from your 2020 Wrapped for your Spotify. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.